The Aureole project started 1st of October 2019 and will end on the 31st of March 2023. Aureole gathers 5 European partners, the BHGM, France, leading the project and contributing technically to all work packages. The Earth Sciences Institute of Orléans, France, leading the geological part, the Almaden Institute of Applied Geology, Spain, leading the environmental part, the Faculty of Sciences of the University of Porto, Portugal, leading the geological part, and the Antea Group, France, a major international engineering company whose core business is the analysis and quantification of environmental risk. The total requested budget sums up to almost 420,000 euros, with a total cost above 1.1 million euros. The overall approach of the Aureole project is based on disruptive concepts. Firstly, the development of a 3D layered-scale metallogenic model integrating deep-seated processes to determine the spatial distribution of ore deposit. Secondly, the use of mineral prospectivity data weighted by surface data to determine the probability of environmental risk over large areas. Key objectives include a new metallogenic models for antimony mineralization from regional to geodynamic scales, and new maps for mineral prospectivity, as well as for environmental risk assessment related to the toxic metalloid like arsenic, antimony, and mercury. Regarding the geology, our new results include, firstly, the identification of 3 main processes that may be responsible for antimony and tungsten enrichments in magma. Secondly, the very exciting finding of antimony-tungsten-rich magmatic fluid inclusion, both in French and Iberian case studies, suggests that magma decasing is a viable mechanism to produce mineralizing hydrothermal fluids. Thirdly, our new geological and geophysical data, combined with numerical modeling, confirm the spatial link between mafic rocks at depth and the location of antimony mineralization above or along them. Regarding the environmental studies, our new results highlight a general low mobility of antimony in the environment, whatever the landforms. At the laboratory, our sample leaching experiments confirm the key role of the redox state in the mobility of antimony, and also demonstrate for the first time the key role of the microbial compartment that decrease antimony mobility by bioreduction processes. Regarding the mineral resources favorability and the environmental risk assessment, a new method has been developed by our PhD candidate Alex Vela. This new method increases the final resolution of the favorability maps and automatically highlight multiple distinct metallotech models that also will contribute to refine our metallogenical model. Intensive testing has been carried out on case studies in France and Spain, showing that mineralized zones and favorable zones are best highlighted using the supervised machine learning method based on decision trees. Our work plan for the incoming months includes the completion of geological studies of the Work Package 1 that are mandatory for the realization of the favorability and risk assessment maps by the Work Package 3. Environmental studies has been completed by the Work Package 2. The publication of the result are in progress for all work packages. Our expected outcomes at the end of the project are to improve the knowledge of the antimony and associated metalloids behavior in geological and subsurface processes, leading to the understanding of the global cycle of antimony, among others. We also expect to provide a better targeting for the mining industry, as well as a new layer of environmental risk hazard to promote a more sustainable European supply of antimony and other critical elements, like tungsten, for the European industry. Eramin is a perfect collaboration frame for conducting such a project for several reasons. Indeed, the Eramin framework offers a good balance between the size of the consortium and the ambition of the project. Then, an Eramin project is an excellent way to mature a new concept to be developed on a larger scale as part of an Horizon Europe project. Compared to national projects, it allows to strongly increase the consortium competencies on the overall quality of field case studies available at the European scale. Thank you for listening, and feel free to visit our website for more information on the Aureole project.